Mastering Timed Essay Practice for GMAT and GRE. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an essential part of GMAT and GRE essay writing, practicing under timed conditions. This skill is crucial for ensuring that you not only craft a well-structured essay but also submit it within the allotted time frame. Let's get started. For the GMAT and GRE essays, you are provided a set amount of time to understand the topic, plan, draft, and review your essay. Therefore, 1. Working within the given time ensures that you can complete your essay and not leave any valuable points unsaid. 2. It instills confidence, as being able to manage time effectively reduces anxiety during the actual test. 3. Practicing under timed conditions simulates the real test environment, preparing you mentally and emotionally for D-Day. To make the most of your practice, 1. Set a timer. Begin by setting a timer to the exact time you'll have in the actual test. This gives you a sense of urgency and realism. 2. Read and plan quickly. Spend a few minutes, not more than a quarter of your allotted time, to understand the prompt and plan your essay structure. 3. Draft efficiently. Allocate the majority of your time here. Write clearly and coherently. Stick to your plan but remain flexible in case you get new ideas. 4. Review. Use the last few minutes to review your essay. Look for grammatical errors. Check if you've addressed the prompt properly, and make minor edits if necessary. 1. Practice regularly. Like any other skill, effective time management becomes easier with regular practice. 2. Stay calm. Panicking consumes precious time and affects the quality of your essay. Deep breaths can help if you start feeling overwhelmed. 3. Skip difficult parts. If you're stuck on a particular point, move on and come back to it later if time permits. 4. Have a structure in mind. Always go into the essay with a basic structure in mind. This could be an introduction, 2 to 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. It helps in quickly organizing your thoughts. That wraps up our session on practicing essays under timed conditions for the GMAT and GRE. Remember, effective time management is a skill you can learn and perfect. So, practice regularly, stay composed, and you'll master the art of writing excellent essays within the given time. We hope this video has been insightful. Happy studying and best of luck with your preparations.